I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're in the Henhouse Market kitchen preparing a perfect Thanksgiving recipe: instant pot turkey breast with cranberry, sage, and a splash of apple cider. It's easy, it's festive, and it's going to fill your kitchen with the most amazing aroma. First, let's build our flavor base. Into the Instant Pot, I'm pouring 1 cup of apple cider and a half a cup of chicken broth. This gives us both sweetness and a little savory depth. Now, add in a half a can of cranberry sauce, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of poultry seasoning, and some fresh sage. Stir that all together. This is what's going to infuse our turkey with flavor. Now, let's get that turkey breast ready. I've got a 4 to 6 pound breast here. Pat it dry, season it with salt and pepper, and just a little extra poultry seasoning. Place it right on the trivet so it sits above that flavorful liquid. Lock on the lid, set the Instant Pot to high, and cook for 6 minutes per pound. So, for a 5 pound turkey breast, that's right around 30 minutes. Then let it naturally release for 10 to 15 minutes before you open. If you love that golden crispy skin like I do, just brush the turkey with a little bit of butter and slide it under the broiler for a few minutes. It makes it look and taste like it just came out of the oven. Don't forget that liquid in the pot. Come on, it's gold, I'm telling you. Stir in the rest of the cranberry sauce and let it simmer on saute mode until it thickens just a bit. This creates a gorgeous, sweet, savory glaze to spoon over all of your turkey. And there you have it, Instant Pot turkey breast with cranberry, sage, and apple cider. Moist, flavorful, and perfect for your fall table. Serve it up with that cranberry cider sauce, and I promise your guests will be asking for seconds. Bon appetito. Jasper's Kitchen is presented to you by Henhouse Markets, filmed on location at MCPL Culinary Kitchens.